Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. If you're here for the first time, click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel. I'm back. I want to talk about Matrix Pro leads. I'm going to show you the flyer. Time ran out on that last video, so I want to show you how the Matrix Pro flyer looks. For those of you that want to mail the flyer, they have that as well. So I'm going to show you mine, and then we're going to talk about, well, how do you get started, okay, with Matrix Pro leads, okay? So let's take a look at this flyer real quick. Okay, I have the flyer pulled up. I'm going to show you something in a second, but Matrix Pro leads, what is this? Matrix Pro leads are, as it states here on the flyer, they are opportunity buyer leads. Okay, the company, their product that they sell is buyer leads. Okay, you can just be a customer and buy these leads, or you can be an affiliate and participate. You'll be a customer at the same time and participate and earn commissions every time you refer someone to purchase leads, okay, with your link that's coded to you. Now, the difference in these, they are buyer leads versus opportunity seekers. These people have been proven to have already spent money in a home-based business at some point in time, okay? So that's what Matrix Pro leads is, that the company. All right, so let me show you this flyer. For those of you that's already mailing flyers, you just add this to what you're already doing. It's not going to take away, because you may be mailing your program, your offer to people, right, that may have not found success yet, and they get this in their in that mailing that you're going to send out, and they may decide, well, you know what, I don't want to join another opportunity. However, I would like to try these leads out. So how is this going to benefit you? This flyer explains everything. The difference with the flyer versus the link that we share is they're going to pay you directly. Okay, so I'm going to show you the flyer. We're going to scroll down so you can take a look at it, but you definitely want to get started, and you can just mail this flyer with your opportunity that you already have out here, okay, that you're promoting. So let me go down a little further and show you what it looks like. Okay, so as we go down, and I have my domain on mine, you can go check this whole thing out. There's a video that's going to explain how this works. Go to www.buyerleads.info. Okay, so let's check this out here. Show you how this works. All right. So, as you can see, right here, when someone received this flyer in the mail, as you can see, the company Matrix Pro Leads is in the left box, the first box. To the right, box 2, I'm in that box. Each box has the name and address. Okay, so if someone gets this flyer in the mail and they decide they want to buy 100 leads, it tells them box 1, if you want 100 leads, send $29.95 to this person in box 1, which is Matrix Pro Leads, cash or money order. Box 2, which I am in, which you would be in, says send 100 leads. You're going to need to send $9.95 to this person. So you pay $29.95 to the person in box 2 and $9.95 cash or money order to this person. So you see, you'll be able to get paid via cash or money order if you mail the flyer. When you share your link and someone joins, for example, if you go to my link right now and just sign up, the company pays weekly, which is fine. They're going to pay me on their debit card, which mine is on the way. So I'll show you guys that when it comes. So you can order the company's debit card, and your commissions will go straight onto that. But with the flyer, you're going to be paid directly. Okay, so they're going to mail you your money directly. As you can see right here, 250 leads will be $55.95. That will go to the company, and $23.95 will go to the person in box 2. If they wanted 500 leads, they will send in $97.95 cash or money order to Matrix Pro Leads, and they would send $42.95 to the person in box 2. So this flyer is very powerful. So you can use this as a tool. Okay, get your flyer You can get these printed with the company that I'm going to refer you to as well. Go to this link right here, buyerleads.info. Get all that information, okay? So sign up and get your flyers printed and mail these out, okay? So that's the flyer. It's really nice. As you can see, it's very colorful. It tells you on here 100% all referrals. It explains everything, okay? So nice flyer, very colorful. So now let's go. I want to go to the website of Matrix Pro Leads. Now I'm going to show you how to get started even as a customer. If you just say, hey, well, you know what, I don't want to be an affiliate, I don't want to promote this, I don't want to share this with my team, I don't want to make any commission, I just want to try your leads out. What do I need to do? So you'll go here, you'll see me at the top in the left hand corner. That way you know you're on my page. Well, actually, let me show you the page because I'm using a funnel. Let me show you how it looks. Hang on. I'm using the funnel, okay? So when you go here, you're going to see this. Watch this video. It will explain everything. There's also a PDF that will break down the compensation plan, even though they explain it in this video. So when you click Get Started right here, you're going to see me as you're an affiliate. Click this Get Started, and it takes you to this page, which is like the page you're going to get, okay? So you go here and you say, well, yeah, I just want to place an order. I just want to order some of these leads. Let me show you what it looks like. Hang on a second. It's shifted on me. Hang on a moment. Let's see if we can get this thing to stop. Hold on. Okay, so you get here and you say, I want to order leads. So you click Order Leads. You see this page and this is a nice website, guys. You will have this website as well. If you want the funnel, go through www.buyerleads.info and you can get the funnel. But this is the website we all get. And it asks you right here, do you want to be a customer or you want to be an affiliate? Let's talk about that real quick too. So let me pull the PDF up. Hang on a second. Okay, so you decide you want to be a customer, you just order from that link I just showed you, but it asks you whether you want to be a customer or an affiliate. An affiliate, the difference here is you'll spend $4.90. A customer, you're not spending a monthly fee, you're just ordering. But as an affiliate, you will spend $4.95 a month, and you can refer people to your affiliate link. The company is going to assign you your own personal affiliate link. You get paid on one level, 33% on everybody that you sign up, their first order, okay? And it stops there. Everybody that joins from your link as an affiliate, when they place an order, you make 33% on their first order. If they place a second, third, and so forth, that doesn't happen. I'll show you that in a second. But if you become a business builder like myself, I spend $4.95, but I also spend $30. Okay, so it's 30 plus the $4.95. So it's going to be $34.95. Be a business builder and get paid up to 10 levels. That just makes more sense to me. That way I can get paid on other people, not just one person, one level, at one level, okay, up to 10 levels. All right, and then here's the breakdown that they give you. They pay you every week. As I stated, you get a, you can order your debit card, and they just put it all on there. So you can see right here, see the 33% if you just become an affiliate. There's 33% on that first level. That's it. The second through the 10th, there's no compensation. But if you become a business builder like myself, you get that 33% on that first level, and that first order. Then you get 3% all the way up to that 10th level. Then it goes up to 8%. Okay? So in other words, you can make money on down the line up to 10 levels. Bottom line. Okay? That's where you want to be positioned. And it gives you more information here. So make sure you go to www.buyerleadsinfo and check it out. Okay? So you go back here and let me show you. Okay, so you're here and you just decide, are you going to be a customer or an affiliate? Just make that selection and just follow the steps. It's pretty simple. Let's click it and you can just kind of see. If we just customer, and they're going to ask you, well, which leads are you going to order? You're going to order 100 leads, the direct mail leads for $30, or do you want the email leads? Now, let me show you. I've upgraded, well, changed. It's not an upgrade. I've changed from the direct mail only to the email because I want to get everything out of the leads I order. I want their email and I want their phone number. Okay. So I've changed from direct mail. It's the same cost, $30, but now I'm going to have their phone number and their email address, because when I mail out my postcards a week later, I'm going to follow up with a text message and with an email. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys on another video where I've uploaded, because I ordered a second batch, and I've uploaded those email addresses into my autoresponder. Okay, that's for another video. But just select here as a customer, how many do you want? 100, 250, 500, or 1,000? Okay, and you decide whether you want just the peel and stick labels, okay, with their address, or do you want their name? Email, and phone number? Okay, so that's the difference in the email ones. Okay, and I suggest this for you too. This way you can follow up, okay, with your people. You mailed them something. Send them an email, send them a text. Hey, Ms. Jones, I mailed you a postcard a week and a half ago. I'm following up. I can give you a script on this, but you're just telling them you're following up. Did you have any questions? Here's my name and number. Give me a call. So you can send them an email and a text. Okay. So let's go back and it's the same concept, even if you become an affiliate, but the difference is you're going to pay, a business builder. If you're going to be a business builder, it's going to be $30, and you still need to select which one of these you're going to have on auto ship. Okay. Now, as a business builder, the minimum is the 30. You don't have to stay there. I had somebody ask me, well, can I get more? Sure. You can get the 250 pack if you want. On autopilot, on auto ship, you pay $70 a month, and they'll send you 250 leads. Now, remember, what I do like about this company as well, they're going to email you. Okay, they're going to email you your list, your direct mail leads. They're going to send them to you on peel and stick labels, but you're going to also have them in email. Now, why is that important? For a few reasons. Because you can mail to these people again. They're your leads. Okay, and the second reason is when you're mailing, okay, say you get a sale, and if you're using different sources, different mailing list companies, you've bought some from this company, you've bought some from another company. When you have ours here with Matrix Pro Leads, say you get a sale, you'll now be able to go to your email and look through your email and say, oh, I received a payment from John Doe. John Doe is on your list from this company, so now you know that's where the sale came from. Okay, so you'll be able to identify your prospects or your leads, or you may get a call and you go, well, I don't know this person, but take a look at your email from Matrix Pro Leads and see if that was one of the people on the list. Okay, so it's going to help you track, as well as, like I said, I would get the email one so you can follow up if you're going to do it. If you're not going to follow up with the people, don't bother. It's the same price, but I recommend following up with an email, a text, or a phone call. Okay, so if you're interested, guys, in just trying out the leads, do so. Go to the link, www.buyerleads.info. Get you some leads, test them out. Or if you just want to be an affiliate like myself or a business builder, go ahead and sign up at that same site and check it out. As you can see, this is the capture page that I have for that domain. So it's a nice capture page, as well as it's a marketing system that will follow up with all your leads and send emails out for you on your behalf. So it's a great way to market Matrix Pro Leads. All right, so with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.